Faster, more versatile, more affordable. Those were three goals that we had in the design of the SmartSource Elite series, our fifth-generation family of desktop check scanners. One of the things we increasingly see in the field is that banks want versatility in their equipment. Until recently, the scanner at the teller window versus the one at the back counter or the one that businesses had for remote deposit were three very different machines that were all very specialized. So as the manufacturer, the challenge was to make a device that does all of these things well. And that means not just pure speeds and feeds, but also things like size, compatibility, and price considerations. This was the challenge to be met with the SmartSource Elite series. For example, a scanner for handling large batches of checks used to be a very large, very expensive device. But the speed of desktop scanners like the Elite has caught up to the point where they can handle many of those jobs. At the other end, businesses using remote deposit might want more speed and features that can be found in a single feed scanner, but don't want the price of the higher speed models. So, the Elite series offers variations like the Elite 55 in both single-line inkjet and non-inkjet models, offering batch feed scanning, but without the sticker shock of many higher speed scanners. It's a batch feed scanner for a small office environment and budget. Teller countertop and office space is at a premium. The Elite series offers nearly a 25% smaller footprint than our previous generation models. And for the teller window, the Elite series offers stackable modular receipt printing and the Receipt Now thermal receipt printer, saving valuable teller window counter space. The Elite series features a secondary straight-through path for capturing ID cards, driver's licenses, and other documentation that might need to be scanned with a transaction. These items can be captured along with the deposit without adding another specialized device. The Elite series now offers a cleaning mode with a purple alert light that indicates when it is time to clean the scanner. Simply push the button 3 times to engage the cleaning mode, and then feed Digital Check's Waffle Technology cleaning card into the track and watch the system scrub the track. When the first cycle is finished, the track will continue to run, so you can flip and rotate the card while feeding it an additional 4 times through the feed path. Upon completion, the track will stop and the purple light will flash slowly until the track is dry. When the light turns off, you can resume scanning as normal. With the focus on versatility and compatibility, the Elite series offers options other than operating from a single PC or operating system. The Expert Elite operates via an Ethernet connection in a network environment for a truly PC-free experience. You won't find a high-speed network check scanner at a more affordable price. Every time a scanner goes out the door with the Digital Check name on the box, it's a reflection on our company, our process, and our people. That's why we're committed to providing you with the highest quality and best value products you can buy. And we stand behind our products 100%. The SmartSource Elite series is the secure choice in remote deposit scanning.